Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this integration problem. Evaluate integration of 0 power pi by 4 dx divided by cos cube x root of 2 sin 2x. Integration of 0 power pi by 4 dx divided by cos cube x root of 2 sin 2x. Sin 2x, what is the formula of sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. Next, integration of 0 power pi by 4 dx divided by cos cube x root of 2 into 2 sin x cos x. You see here, we will take 1 to outside. Integration of 0 power pi by 4 dx divided by 2 cos cube x root of sin x cos x. Next, integration of 0 power pi by 4. These two take it outside 1 by 2 dx divided by cos cube x root of sin x into cos x into cos x divided by cos x. Next, integration of 0 power pi by 4 1 by 2 dx divided by cos cube x root of sin x, this cos x bring it to this side, cos x into cos x into cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x. Integration of 0 power pi by 4 1 by 2 dx divided by cos cube x root of sin x by cos x is tan x into cos x is cos square x. Next, 1 by 2 integration of 0 power pi by 4 dx divided by cos cube x into root of tan x into root of cos square x. This square and root is cancelled. Next, integration of 0 power pi by 4 1 by 2 dx divided by cos cube x into cos x root of tan x. Next, integration of 0 power pi by 4 dx divided by cos power 4x root of tan x. This cos power 4x, how we will write? 1 by cos x is equal to secant x. 1 by cos power 4x is equal to secant power 4x. Next, integration of 0 power pi by 4 is 1 by 2. 1 by cos power 4x is secant power 4x dx divided by root of tan x. Integration of 0 power pi by 4 1 by 2 secant power 4x, how we will write? Secant square x into secant square x dx divided by root of tan x. Secant square x, what is the formula of secant square x? Is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Integration of 0 power pi by 4 1 by 2, it is 1 plus tan square x into secant square x dx divided by root of tan x. Next, let tan x is equal to t. Tan x differentiation is secant square x dx is equal to dt. When lower limit x is equal to 0, so tan 0 is equal to 0. When upper limit x is equal to pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Next, I is equal to 1 by 2 integration of lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. So 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan x is t. So tan square x is t square. Secant square x dx is dt divided by tan x is t. So root is there, so root t. Next, I is equal to 1 by 2 integration of 0 power 1 by root t plus t square by root t into dt. Next, I is equal to 1 by 2 integration of 0 power 1 root t. How we will write? T power 1 by 2. It goes up is t power minus 1 by 2 plus t square into t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. This one how we will write? 2 minus 1 by 2. We will take common 2. Here is 1. 4 minus 1 equal to 3 by 2. Next, I is equal to 1 by 2 integration of 0 power 1 t power minus 1 by 2 plus t power 3 by 2 into dt. Next, we will integration this one. I is equal to 1 by 2. Open the bracket. T power minus 1 by 2 dt is t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus integration of t 3 by 2 dt is t 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. Close the bracket, 0 power 1. Next, t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. How we will write? Minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So we will take the common. 2 minus 1 plus 2 equal to plus 1 by 2. Plus 2. 2 is the biggest number. So we will take plus 1 by 2. I is equal to 1 by 2. Open the bracket. T power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus t 3 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus 1 equal to common we will take 2. So 3 plus 2. So 5 by 2. So t power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Close the bracket, 0 power 1. Next, I is equal to 1 by 2. Open the bracket. 1 by 2. This 2 goes up. So 2t 1 by 2 plus this 2 goes up. 5 comes down. So 2 by 5, here is t power 5 by 2, close the bracket, 0 power 1. You see here 2 is common, take it outside. I is equal to 2 by 2, open the bracket, t power 1 by 2 plus t power 5 by 2 divided by 5, 0, 1. I is equal to 1 power 1 by 2 plus 1 power 5 by 2 divided by 5 minus 0 power 1 by 2 plus 0 power 5 by 2 by 5. So I is equal to 1 power 1 by 2 is 1 plus 1 power 5 by 2 is 1 divided by 5 minus this is 0. I is equal to 1 plus 1 by 5 equal to this one we will take it as common 5. So 5 plus 1. So I is equal to 6 by 5. This is the answer. Thanks for watching this video.